You know that state we're in when we move with razor sharp focus. Our confidence is overwhelmed with certainty. Our body and mind adapt to the environment effortlessly. It's in that state that we take giant steps in our level of performance, moving in the direction that was previously not even dreamt of. In it, we are completely dissolved in what we are doing. So much so it feels like time is slowing down. We're so deeply in the present moment that we merge with what we're doing, giving us the overwhelming feeling of being at one. In that state, there is no thought, there is no stresses or pressures which normally find in today's society, blinding us from achieving what we want. There is no inner voice criticizing our every move. We are completely immersed in the task at hand, not because we have to, but because we love it. This state is not elusive. This state is not mystical. It's called the flow state, and I can show you how to hack into it whenever you want.